Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how to join a clan in Clash Royale. To join a clan in Clash Royale, first of all, open up the Clash Royale application on your device, and once you are in the home page, go ahead and tap on the clan icon at the bottom right of the screen, this one over here. Inside the clans tab, tap on the show button in purple, and this will show you a list of clans that you can join into. You can also type down the name of the clan that you are trying to join into in the search box at the top. After you search for the clan, go ahead and select the clan that you want to join into, and then look for the join button in green, if available. After you see the join button, simply tap on it, and you will be able to join a clan right away. Some clans out there will need you to meet the requirements. If you meet the requirements, then you will be able to see the join clan button, but some clans may not be able to provide you with the join button since you will need to meet certain requirements and wait for your approval in order to apply to the clan. Some clans might be easier for you to join in. After you tap in the join button, you will be able to join in immediately. But some clans out there might require you to wait for the clan leader or elders to accept your request. So that is how you can easily be a part of a clan by joining in just a couple of steps in Clash Royale. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Clash Royale tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.